surprise. Every other night I know the movie came bad. Took too far, I was that close. Motherfucker on the ground, off this way, doing us.
Apply your favorite edge control, gel, anything to help slick your hair down. Apply it to your hair and just brush it. The key to any sleek hairstyle is to just keep brushing until it reaches the desired smoothness. Keep brushing and combing it. Take a little small rat tail comb and just keep combing up and brushing up. Your arms will get tired, but it'll get you to the look you want. Damn, I cannot talk. Okay, so you can clearly see that I did not put it up there with any type of strategy or anything. I just threw it up there, put a rubber band around it, and just started wrapping the hair. So you guys will know that this does not have to be perfect.
Fight.
You win.
Fight.